Hello, friends. Today I have very interesting math problem. X over x minus 3 plus 4 into x minus 3 over x equal to 4. And most of entry tests have these kind of questions. So let's solve. First of all, I am going to let this term x over x minus 3 plus 4 into x minus 3 over x. First of all, I am going to let. So, let x over x minus 3 equal to y. As I took x over x minus 3 equal to y, now I can write into like that x minus 3 over x equal to 1 over y. So I can put y into this term and 1 over y in this terms, like that y plus 4 into 1 over y equal to 4. Now I am going to take LCM of this term. Here I am going to multiply all this equation by y. Multiply by y on both sides, like that y multiply y plus 4 over y multiply y equal to 4 multiply y. So this can cancel each other, and now the equation will be like that y square plus 4, and when I took this term into this side, it will be like 4 minus 4y. No, I can write into like this y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Now I can take I can do factorization like that, and for factorization I can write into like that 1 multiply 4 equal to 4, and now I need a terms, or I need two terms. On multiplying I got plus 4, and by doing plus minus I got minus 9 minus 4. So the accurate term is minus 2 equal to minus 4, and when I multiply these two terms, minus 2 I got 4. So the right factor will be like minus 2. So I can write y square minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Now I can take y common from these two values, y common y minus 2, and from this I can write minus 2 as common, y minus 2 equal to 0. So the question will be like that y minus 2 and y minus 2 equal to 0. Now I can write into like that y minus 2 equal to 0, and on the other side y minus 2 equal to 0. So the value of y will be like that y is equal to 2, and on the other side y equal to 2. Now I am putting the value of y, and the value of y is this. The value of y is the value of y is this, x over x minus 3. Now I am putting the value of y, and the value of y is x over x minus 3 equal to 2. So let's solve this first. Here this value is dividing, and on the other side it will be like that multiply x is equal to 2 into x minus 3 and y, and when I write into like that 2x minus 6 and y, when I shift this term or shift this term into this side, so I can write like that 2x minus 6 minus x equal to 0, and when I solve these two terms, I can write into like that x minus 6 equal to 0, and here the value of x is 6 plus 6. So the value of x is 6, and when I solve this term, as we know that these two values have the same values, so there will be no difference, and I can write into like that x over x minus 3 equal to 2. And when I shift this term into like that x minus 3, I can write into like that 2x minus 6. And when I shift this term, so I can write into like that 2x minus x minus 6 equal to 0, and here x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 6. So the both values have x have the same value, so the solution set will be a single term, that is 6. So this is the simple equation. I think you like the question, and if you like the question, then please subscribe the channel.